Enfield Cemetery, and I just got a nice bloody little surprise on me. So that was charming. Thought he was talking to me. Oh, yeah, that made a mess. I have to go with all kind of bird poop on me. They say that having bird poop on you is good luck. Who knows on that one? So that's my adventure for the day. Oh.